We're at Volunteers for Change 20th anniversary celebration at Old Fairfax Town Hall in Fairfax City. Volunteers for Change is our evening and weekend adult volunteer program through Volunteer Fairfax. We're here to really celebrate the volunteers and the people who are giving back and making a difference in our community every single day. When people are available, when they're not working, there are opportunities in the community where they can get out and serve. It has a really broad range of opportunities and activities. The service project today is with Food for Others, and it is a lunchbox note that is going into their Power Pack program, which is a pack that goes to kids on the free and reduced lunch program. So this is just an extra little level of encouragement and letting them know that the community cares and wants them to do well in life, in school, and all of that. Volunteers for Change is really important because it allows an individual, one person, to take 1 hour of time and really leverage and make a difference in their community. They don't have to necessarily have a ton of time available, and they can pick from a calendar of different events to get involved when they have time and availability. To get involved with Volunteer Fairfax, you just need to go to our website, which is www.volunteerfairfax.org. If you're interested in Volunteers for Change specifically, it's one of the programs that we run. You would look up Volunteers for Change, and we have orientations monthly. They're one-time, 1 hour orientations, and all you have to do is come out and we'll get you out volunteering.